First, this is Ali from Price Fashions, and we are located 7E Lindsay Street, Kolkata 87. It's a new market, Globe Mall, shop number 102. So today I'll be going to show you all exclusive Banarsi Georgette. It's a semi Georgette and semi linen with Banarsi woven border with hand painting. So before I start, I will request my viewers to please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon also, so whenever you upload the videos, you will get the notification. So let's display the sari. So this is the sari number 1. It's a semi Banarsi semi Georgette. Just have a look. It's a color combination. This is a combination of Firoza and green. So this is the zigzag pattern. It's all woven zari. I'll just show you the detailing of this zari. So this is all over the same, and this is the border. It's a lower border and the upper border is plain, and it's a multicolor border. So this is the pallu of the sari. I'll just show how it will look when you drape. And it's the price is only 2,800. 2,800 only. And it's all semi Georgette. It's a Banarsi semi Georgette. So this is the all over look of the sari, and this is the pallu. And the blouse, just see the blouse. This is the brocade blouse with a shaded blouse. 2,800. Now again the same pattern in different combination. It's a combination of pink and magenta. It's a Rani pink and magenta. The same pattern border. And this is the pallu of the sari. I'll just show you this is the all over look of the sari. This is the pallu. I'll just show how it will look when you drape. And it's a very festive look sari. This is a very festive look sari. This is all over look, and this is the pallu. And there is a blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. Just have a look. This is the blouse of the sari. Sari number 3. It's the only single color. It's a Rani pink. Just see the pallu of the sari. And this is the all over look. Just have a look. And this is the pallu of the sari. I'll just show you and there's the same pattern. Border is there. It's all woven. It's all woven zari. It's all semi Georgette. It's a Banarsi semi Georgette. The price is only 2,800. So this is the all over look of the sari, and it's a very festive look saris which I am showing for Diwali. This is the all over look of the sari, and there is a blouse. This is the blouse. It's a brocade blouse. The price of this sari is 2,800. Semi Dupian silk. It's a semi Dupian silk. I'll just show. And the texture is so nice. Just see the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari. And this is the all over body. It's a buta. It's a woven. It's not applique work. This is woven. Just see. This is woven, not applique work. So this is the jet black color, all over body like this. This is the pallu, and it's all from Banaras. These are all from Banaras. It's a semi-Dupian. This is a semi-Dupian silk. This is the pallu of the sari. And there is a blouse. This is the blouse and border is there. This is the border for sleeves. Hand painted Banarsi semi linen. This is a semi linen. Just see the color combination. This is the combination. It's a light mauve and pink color. It's a very pastel shade, very eye soothing color. Just have a look. This is a pallu. just show how it will look when you drape. So this is the look of the sari. This is the look of the sari. Very pastel shade and hand painting. It's a hand painting. I'll just show you the detailing of this painting. And there is a blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. Now again green with a lemon yellow shade. This is the pallu of the sari. And all over body like this. This is all over. See the pallu. Just show how it will look. So this is the all over look. This is the all over look of the sari, and this is the pallu, and there is a blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. Yellow with pink color. Wow, amazing color combination. Just have a look. I'll just show how it will look when you drape the sari. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we have a YouTube Facebook page, same name, Praj Fashions. Please don't forget to follow our page to get new updates of our new collection. So this is the all over look of the sari, and this is the pallu. There is a blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. Froza and green combination. The froza and green combination. Just have a look. This is the pallu, all over body like this painting, and this is the pallu of the sari. I'll just show how it will look. So these are all budget friendly sari and gorgeous look. So this is the look, all over look of the sari, and this is the pallu. Very pretty sari, and these are all hand painting. So this is the blouse of the sari. So thank you so much for watching, and please visit our store. It's 7E Lindsay Street, shop number 102, Globe Mall. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and COD facilities available only in Central Kolkata. For other states you have to drop the money through Google Pay, Phone Pay or direct bank transfer. After receiving the payment, then we dispatch the sari. So thank you so much, and don't forget to share.